Oh, man!
So all the tools you're gonna need to remove your center stand, you may wanna have a spring tool in hand, some grease, not exactly this one, but any type of heavy duty grease. You're gonna need some pennies so we can remove our springs a little bit more easy. A 17 wrench, a 17 socket, some extension to be a little bit more easy. A long wrench and a torque wrench so we can put the right torque. So let's get into it. So we're gonna proceed and take care of our center stand. As you can see at the beginning of this video, you can see how my center stand gets stuck when I pull the scooter down. You can see it doesn't go all the way up. You wanna remove your stand and take care of that. So the way you do that, you wanna put your scooter on a wheel shock or find a way to hold your scooter. If you have someone to help you out to hold the scooter while you do this job, you probably have to do that. But if you have a wheel shock, you can, secure your motorcycle without the center stand, or if you have a side stand, you can put carefully your bike on the side stand and work your way out like that. The first thing you want to do is you want to remove your spring. So the way you're going to do that, you want to grab a bunch of pennies. So once you have filled up your spring like that, you can proceed and drop down the scooter and you will see how the spring is gonna come down loose very easy.